no way.
What you got? An F and PE.
Ain't no way.
Aaron, how you get an F and PE before me? So what you gonna tell our stepdaddy? You ain't think about that one. And you know that man work out.
Hey, you got straight A's with mine.
Hey, y'all got y'all grades?
Yeah, we
He failed.
What you failed, man?
PE.
How you
That's my
failed
shit.
PE?
Aaron got an F and PE.
Man, I told you not to snitch. What you doing?
When he failed.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey, baby. You telling me he got an FMPE?
What?
All y'all was talking about y'all.
You heard that? He calling us downstairs to come eat.
Oh my.
Yup.
Hey, yo! What's going on?
I'm like just now and I miss my dad.
Man, your daddy died! Your daddy died! Your daddy!
So you still gonna make me eat these sunflowers?
You about to go to bed.
Yeah, hey, go to bed! Go to bed! Right now! Man, I'ma just put my chicken up for work tomorrow, baby. I'ma just put my chicken up to work tomorrow. Ain't nobody better not mess with my chicken! Nobody!
Oh, but I ain't gonna lie though. You heard how he said on his last piece of chicken? He ain't give me time to eat. And I'm still hungry. I'm finna go down there and steal that piece of chicken. After he just talked about your daddy, now you scared of him? Well, forget all that. Forget all the rules. I'm gonna get that chicken.
On the second hand, I think you're right. Okay.
Right, I'm gonna get that chicken.
Oh, I'm hungry. Lord. I'm hungry.
Bro, I got all A's and 1B.
You see that?
Look.
Ain't no way.
What you got?
Let me check, man.
An F and PE.
Ain't no way.
Aaron, how you get an F and PE before
I be going to
me?
PE. Ain't no way.
All I do is show up and sit down. That's it.
Hey, you gotta be my. Oh, I know why.
Why?
Cause I be trying to look good for the ladies. I don't dress out.
Really?
Yes.
But what you gonna tell our stepdaddy? You ain't think about that one. And you know that man work out. Yup. What you gonna tell him?
I don't know.
And then you know.
Listen, let's just keep this between me and you.
No, you gotta tell him.
Why you being like that?
Because you know he gonna crash out either way to go. Cause I'm showing him mine. So if he see mine, you know he gonna ask for yours.
You right. I'ma just tell him.
Right. And you know he known for crashing out and he be throwing things, moving his arms, yelling bad.
I ain't lying.
And then
But
you
help me come up with an excuse or something.
come up with an excuse. That's on you. But I ain't gonna lie though, I'm hungry, bro.
I'm hungry too. And
I'm
you know
hungry.
mama never cook.
Right. She always say, wait till he come home, feed us, this
You
and
ain't
that.
lying.
Like, what you think our sisters gonna say?
I don't know.
Wanna see what they doing?
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
I'm finna tell him.
Girl, you know them report cards came out today. You check yours first, cause I'm scared.
Hey, you got straight A's with mine.
Hey, y'all got y'all grades?
Yeah, we
I passed too. He failed.
What you failed, man?
PE.
How you
That's my
failed
shit.
PE?
You
failed the easiest
Bro, come on.
ever.
What? I had to tell him.
You stay snitching.
Oh, you know Stepdad finna go crazy.
Then y'all know he crazy. Y'all know he finna crash out.
But just help me out. Let me tell him something like.
I don't know.
No.
How we gonna help?
And
How?
I'm finna tell mom. Yup, I'm telling mom
You
too.
the only one that always snitch.
I don't
You playing
care.
with your life right now. How you fail people?
Right.
Right.
Listen, cause I don't be getting dressed out.
All you have to do
Just
is show up and say
Bro,
here. It's
attendance,
not that
that's
hard.
it.
I be honest, I be skipping. I don't be feeling like working out.
See, I told y'all.
And that's exactly why
I
you
told y'all.
failed.
I ain't gonna lie though. Y'all hungry?
Listen.
Yeah, we ain't.
Keep this between us.
Nope, I'm gonna tell mom.
What is you ready for?
Girl, this dude do whatever I want. It's
Mom! Aaron got an F and PE.
Man, I told you not to snitch. What you doing?
And he fell.
first of all, I'm on the phone.
My fault,
Girl,
my
I'm gonna have
fault.
to call you back because these kids is tripping.
You got what? Before you go off.
We passed. We passed.
We
We
passed.
passed.
I don't never have to worry about y'all. That's fine. But you, PE,
I told you not to snitch. What is you doing?
snitch! Ain't no snitching! You already know you supposed to pass. What you mean you got an F and PE?
Now you gotta go to
Wait till I tell your stepdad. You think this is a game?
I don't care. Not like that's my real daddy.
What do you mean you don't care? What you mean you don't care? Who you think pay the bills around here? What you mean you don't care? Like that ain't your real daddy? What? Because I'm already hot by him and his brain. I understand y'all task, but you always hungry. What you mean you hungry? I'm trying to handle him. You running here talking about he got an L?
I know, but Mom, can you feed us?
Okay, because we ain't ate either.
I probably can feed y'all, but I don't know about him. Let me call y'all stepdaddy because since you don't care, I don't care. You don't even work. What I look like feeding you? You can't even work out and eat.
Hey, I'm grateful. Right, I'm grateful.
Don't need no food. Look at you.
We finna go eat.
If you can't pass PE, you gonna be looking like that too. Let's call him and see what he at. Kids talk about they hungry. Oh, they always gotta eat.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey, baby, what's going on, my love? What's wrong? What's up?
Everything. Oh my goodness, these kids are getting on my nerves. Everybody passed except Aaron, and guess what? He got an F in.
What you got to help me?
PE. How can you get an F in PE? All the stuff you be doing with them, he should have been top of the class.
You telling me he got an F in PE?
In PE.
Man, I'm at the gas station right now, baby. Let me pump this gas and I'll be home in a minute.
I need you to do one more thing for me. They claiming that they hungry.
Baby?
Can you please bring something to eat?
Oh man, these kids and this problem.
I really need you to help me out with them because I don't know what I'm gonna do. They are driving me.
Man, you lucky. I love you. I'll see you in a minute. I'm gonna go get something.
Okay, thank you.
All right, baby. All right.
Get down.
These kids, baby, I'm home. I got the food you ate for. Oh my, I had a long day at work. My feet hurt and everything, baby. Man, baby, I'm home. Oh, I got the food you asked for too. I got the food you asked for.
Okay, good. I'm gonna get ready to set the table so we can sit down and eat like a family.
No, baby, I'm the man of the house. You ain't gotta do none of that.
No, I can say
I'm the man of the house. I told you that. You don't set up nothing.
But
No. You just want me to be the man of the house.
I can take
Ah!
Okay, you say you got it. I'm gonna let you.
Baby, I told you I got it. Baby. You ain't gotta worry. I told you I got it. The best man, the best stepdad. I told you, baby, you ain't gotta worry.
I like it. I'm
You
gonna
ain't
just
gotta
grab the
worry.
chicken. I'm gonna help out where
All
I
right,
can.
baby, look, sit right here.
Okay.
How your day was, baby? How your day was?
It was okay.
That's-
Other than Aaron, like, why? How you get an F in?
Please don't remind me, baby. Besides Aaron with them grades, how the other kids doing, baby? How the other kids doing?
Everything good with them. The girls are good.
That's good.
Besides Torque wanting to eat all the time.
Baby, look. What pieces of chicken you want?
You know I like the dark meat.
Oh, that's baby. I know you liked it. That because look at me. I'm done. All right, baby. Let me get it together, but you feeling good, huh? How many pieces of chicken you want?
Just give me one. I'm trying to keep.
All right, baby. Look here. Just look like that right there.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna get it going right now, baby. I'm gonna get it going. Hey, you so beautiful. It's just something about that smell, baby. It's something about that smell. Ooh wee. Mm-hmm.
You know I really appreciate.
And see. He can see. He don't deserve nothing. He got L.
He got an L. And I don't understand, cause all that you do, all that you do for him, why would he do that? Why would he get an L?
I'm sorry, babe. I'm just having breakdowns cause I'm the best at that. I do everything for the kids. I can't believe he making me look like that. He making me look like a fool. All right, I set up the table, baby. Get down there!
Bro, that was not cool. Why would you rag?
Bro, they was gonna find out anyway.
No, they was nice.
Yes, they was.
All y'all was talking about y'all.
You heard that? He calling us downstairs to come eat.
Oh my.
Yup, let's go.
Hey, promise me you won't tell Dan nothing about this.
Promise you I won't tell. Bro, so you already told on. I overheard mom call on the phone with dad, and she told on you. So it's already done.
I
I swear it's done for already.
I'm just about to take my lick.
Take your look like a man.
Shoot, now I keep my real dad. I don't care.
Y'all heard that? I ain't gonna lie, that's Dad.
All you have to do is put that in, bro.
It's funny, but bro, I ain't gonna lie to you.
You just your fault. You ready?
My fault.
Hey, well, how you would've known if you would've never told
Okay,
me?
we're not gonna lie. We're not gonna lie.
I ain't tripping. I'm ready to go eat. Let's go eat.
This man finna get in trouble and you
I
worry
don't
about
care. I'm
food.
hungry. Let's go.
I'm
not gonna lie.
You're
You're from.
Baby, how you? Oh, baby, I love when you get your nails.
How you doing, Stepdad? How you doing? How you doing? I appreciate you for the food.
Thank you.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Hey, thank you for the food.
Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Right now! Sit down! Sit down!
Oh, boy.
Sit down! Sit down! Right now! Sit down! I heard some good news about y'all.
Straight A's. Always.
Okay. Baby, you did a good job. That's a good girl.
We did it.
Ooh, I love you, girl. But hey, yo! What's going on?
I'm like just now and I miss my dad.
Man, your daddy died! Your daddy died! Your daddy died! I'm your daddy! Hey, daddy died! He died on ice cream truck. Oh. His daddy dead.
It's all right, bro.
His daddy dead.
Can I eat one?
We might.
His daddy dead. I ain't worried about it. You with me now? I'm the best stepdad. It ain't no excuses why he fell in PE, cause his daddy dead.
I just miss my real dad.
Oh, your daddy dead, I keep telling you. He died on ice cream truck. He died on ice cream truck. It's over with. He gone. He dead. I'm your daddy now. Accept that.
We can't keep going back to that, Aaron. I got you a good stepdaddy here. He makes sure we eat good.
Ah!
He makes sure we taken care of.
Oh!
Especially me.
I heard that!
So you got to straighten up, cause you making everybody else look bad. Suck it up.
It's a lot hot in here.
You gonna be in summer school.
Right, I'm hungry.
That's all y'all talk about is food.
I'm hungry.
You always hungry.
What can I eat?
We trying to handle something here.
Boy! You see what just happened? You're about to fail! We look like fools around here! We look like fools! He fell in PE!
Y'all didn't know y'all brother was failing PE? What you doing in PE? Why he can't pass?
I do a show up, sit down, and chill, and I'm passing.
And you passing.
And I'm passing.
What Torek doing that you can't?
I'll be honest, he be skipping class. He be skipping the class.
And you steadily ready, bro.
He skipping the class.
Oh, we skipping.
Yup, he skipping.
I can't take no more! I can't take no more! If it wasn't for the love for you, girl, I would have done that. I can't take this no more! But I still love you, girl.
I'm gonna be down with this too.
So you still gonna make me eat these sunflowers?
You about to go to bed. Fix your attitude.
You know what? I'm gonna give you this piece of chicken. But boy, I tell you, we gotta have it. We gotta have, you gonna get this piece of chicken, but it ain't over with. You gonna stand to go to bed. I'm very disappointed in you. You understand me? Eat this chicken.
You better fix your face.
That
Cause
mean-
you almost was not eating nothing.
We can eat too?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Damn! Man, if it wasn't for you, girl, I would have been up. But boy, you so beautiful. Lord have mercy, you keep me going. Baby, I done lost my appetite. So I'm gonna go put my chicken up for work tomorrow. But as long as you have a blessed day tomorrow, baby, I'm gonna be all right.
I appreciate you gonna make him work that chicken out, right?
Ah! Yes, baby, I'm sorry, but baby, just them kids. I'm sorry, baby.
I appreciate you being here since day.
That's what I'm talking about. Make me feel like a man.
So you don't want your chicken?
I'll take it.
I'm
I asked for it.
put my chicken up for lunch tomorrow. Yeah, hey, Heather, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed right now. I don't know which one that you is around here. I'm the man in this house. Get up there and go to bed right now.
You ain't got nothing to say?
We gotta go see.
How y'all go? Go to bed right now.
I ain't finished.
Go to bed. I don't care. Go to bed.
I ain't finished.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
I can take you with me.
Go to bed. Go Go to bed. That's the problem right now. You ain't too much. Go to bed. Shit been helping your brother pass his pee. Baby, I'm gonna put my chicken up.
No, let me do it. Let me.
No, the man of the house. I'm gonna put my chicken up, baby. I love you.
Love you too.
Man, I'm gonna just put my chicken up for work tomorrow, baby. I'm gonna just put my chicken up to work tomorrow. And nobody better not mess with my chicken. Nobody.
You ready to go to bed, baby?
Baby.
Ain't nobody,
Yeah, baby, but
ain't nobody gonna touch your chicken. Just come on.
But anything for you, baby. Anything for you.
I appreciate it. Let's go to bed.
Man, I just don't feel like that's right.
What's right?
Man, like he just kept bringing up my dad. Just let my dad rest in peace.
I ain't lying, bro. He was speaking some facts, though.
Then my mom didn't even try to help take up for me. Like, that was her first love.
Bro, she can't take up for you if he paying the bills and making sure we eat. She ain't got nothing to say.
Okay, but she still could have took my side.
Bro, that don't mean nothing, bro. I'm keep 100 with you.
And you didn't help at all.
I ain't lying.
You laughing about the situation.
It was funny, though. I'm gonna keep 100.
And you supposed to be my brother.
I'm sorry, bro. Wait, we good? We cool?
No, bro.
We ain't cool?
No.
Alright. But I ain't gonna lie, though. You heard how he said on his last piece of chicken? He ain't give me time to eat. And I'm still hungry. I'm finna go down there and steal that piece of chicken. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Bro, after he just talked about your daddy, now you scared of him? Boy, forget all that. Forget all the rules. I'm gonna get that chicken.
On the second hand, I think you're right. Go
Right,
take
I'm
that.
gonna get that chicken. I'm
Take
gonna
that.
holler at you. I'm gonna get that chicken.
You want to talk about my dad? Yeah, we got something for him. Ain't that right?
Hurry up, babe. Come on.
All right, baby. Hey, I'm so excited. I just want to apologize for me going off the way I did and spazzing out, baby. But on a better note, I got a raise.
Okay.
We caught up on the bills.
That's what I like.
We got a chance to go enjoy ourselves.
Yes.
You're such a beautiful one.
I appreciate you helping out.
Yes, ma'am.
It was a lot, just spazzing out, because sometimes you be scaring.
Ah!
See, that's
sorry.
a lot. You be scaring me sometimes. But I need that for Aaron, because I just don't, I thought you do so good with them. I don't understand how.
Yeah, I take pride in what I do, baby. I take pride in what I do. I take pride in loving you. I take pride in helping you. I take pride in being the best stepdaddy. I take pride in that. But I apologize, but his daddy is dead. His daddy dead. And I'm the best stepdaddy.
You are. I appreciate you taking over. Let's not talk about it.
Ooh, baby, you hear that? Ooh, my stomach grinding. I'm gonna go down there and get my chicken that I left down there.
Okay, yeah, you didn't eat. Make sure you hurry up.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. Ooh, I'm hungry. Lord. I'm hungry.